Hello, this is a small tutorial. I just want to show you how I did this logotype using Sketchup and Vray. This is really simple. This is my Sketchup session. I just made this logotype really easy. You can do any something like this in just a few seconds. It's really simple. I'm using a space pilot to move around the object I have here. That's why you don't have this one. It's gonna be trickier for you, but I wanted to show you how to do this. The rectangles you are seeing in the edges are the lamps for V-Ray. I have created a third one so you can see how to make one with the V-Ray plugin toolbar. This is the parameters you put in the V-Ray lamp, and right now I'm showing you what are the parameters or the data I'm using in my lamps here. If you have used V-Ray before, this is going to be really simple for you. But what I wanted to show you is how I did this. By the way, I'm using a space pilot. That's how I move around the object so easily. You need to get one of those. It's really cool. And I will show you how to deal with the animations on SketchUp. Right now, I'm gonna just render just this angle. Okay. I press the V-Ray render button, and there you have it, the Planet Noise logo with a transparent background. So now we're gonna deal with the animation, which is really simple in SketchUp. You just need to position in the angle you want and create a scene, and then go to the other, and you just need to browse around between scenes, and there you have your animation, like you are watching right now. So how to tell V-Ray how to render an animation instead of a still image? This is very simple. I'm going to show you right now. You just go to the V-Ray interface window. Well, this is the output tab. We're going to go right now to, this is my environment. I like to do everything in the dark, so it's clear, it's easier for me to realize what I'm doing. So now we're in the output tab of V-Ray. We go below to the animation. There's an animation box there. Just mark it like that, and you need to specify a path, a folder, and SketchUp will storage all the images we will create from this animation and this place, because it will create a lot of pictures, PNG files for transparency. It won't create a so large video file or AVI file. No, that's not the case. So we will just start rendering our animation. This is so here we're rendering. This is the rendering window, the rendering process. It takes a lot of time, and it takes a certain amount of seconds for each frame. And you know that for 1 second of animation, you might need about 24 or 30 images, 30 pictures, 30 frames. So that's why it takes a lot of time. Then we're doing a really simple thing, a really short clip, and even at that it will take a lot of time. So now here we have the folder destination where we have all our files or our PNG files for transparency. First you will see the alpha files. This is a backup file for another purposes. You will need this time, perhaps another occasion, and you will go directly to the first file, the 000 number. This will you find, and you will see that we have each frame of the animation there. If you have Picasa installed, it will be easier to understand what you have there and how your animation is gonna look. Take a look here. This is Picasa, and Picasa have a really fast tool for browsing pictures, and this is how it looks. It's not a video, it's just a really fast slideshow, and it will show you the background, the transparent background, and how the animation is looking right now. So now we're going to Sony Vegas, and now we're going to show you how to import all these images in just one sole animation. We go to import, we go to media, and we need to find our folder, our destination folder from SketchUp and V-Ray, and we need to locate our first 000 file, not alpha, remember that, and we need to check that little box below. That's really important. because we are telling Sony Vegas that we have a lot of files to render. So Sony Vegas automatically will recognize all the files from the sequence and just need to put a name. So okay, and we are almost done. Let me show you the preview window. I'm sorry, I need to deal with several monitors, so you can see that what I'm doing in the other monitor. So here is the preview window, okay? And let me put this in one side. Okay, and I already have the other video file there. So that blue weird column I have there is the background. It's another file. And the other file I have in my Sony Vegas session is the sequence animation we have created in Sketchup. So there you have it. I need to still deal with the edges of the split slow, but you will see at the end how it's gonna look. It's really cool. I had an issue. The animation was kind of short, so I'm pulling just one PNG file from the sequence I have in the other folder in order to make this clip longer, to last longer, just at the end, a still image. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it looks animation. I already deal with all the edges and frames and whatever, and scene. Okay, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, whatever, log in to the Planet Noise forum. There are links below. Okay, see you there. Bye.